Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn in detail about a small triangle in the anterior aspect of the neck. So this is a single midline triangle. This is not paired. This triangle is called as the submental triangle. This triangle got that name because of its position that is just beneath the symphysis mendae. So this is called as submental triangle. This is different from rest of the triangles because rest of the anterior triangles are paired. We have on right side and left side. But this submental triangle is single and located in the midline. Let us analyze what are the boundaries of this particular triangle. So here the base of the triangle is formed by the body of the hyoid bone. So this is the body of the hyoid bone. And remember, on either side we have the anterior bellies of digastric muscles, right side and left side. As we have learned already, the digastric muscle got anterior belly here and the posterior belly here. The posterior belly of digastric will be accompanying another muscle called as stylohyoid. So anterior belly of digastric, right side and left side, this is forming the lateral boundaries for this submental triangle. So this is the base, and on either side anterior bellies of right and left digastric. And its apex is formed by the chin. That's the meeting point of these two anterior bellies of digastric. So this is the apex point. And remember, the floor of this triangle is formed by the muscle called as mylohyoid muscle and its median raphe. If we explain the contents, in this triangle we have only two contents, 2 to 4 number of tiny lymph nodes. These nodes are called as submental nodes. And again we have the beginning of anterior jugular veins from this triangle. So let us demonstrate the submental triangle in the cadaveric specimen. So to have a surface landmark, this is the symphysis mendae or the chin. And again beneath I could palpate the hyoid bone. Again just beneath the hyoid bone I am feeling the thyroid cartilage. This is the laryngeal prominence for Adam's apple. Further beneath the thyroid gland and the trachea will be there. And to have an outline of our triangle, that is a submental triangle, this is the region of submental triangle. To demonstrate its boundaries, the base is formed by the body of hyoid bone. So we could palpate the body of hyoid bone. And on either side we have anterior bellies of digastric muscle, right side and left side. So this is the anterior belly of right digastric muscle, and this is the anterior belly of left digastric muscle. And the apex of the triangle is formed at the symphysis mendae or the chin region. That is the meeting point of these two anterior bellies. Again, if we come to the floor of the triangles, the floor region is formed by the muscle called as mylohyoid muscle. As we have learned earlier, the right mylohyoid and left mylohyoid muscle will come to this median raphe region and meets them. So this is the floor of this submental triangle. So to discuss the contents of this submental triangle, we have only two contents, the submental lymph nodes and the beginning of anterior jugular veins. Anterior jugular veins after beginning at the submental triangle that will run downwards. The submental nodes are draining from the territories like the tip of the tongue and again the floor of the mouth, adjoining part of floor of the mouth, and further the lower incisor teeth and their gums, the midline of the lower lip, and further the chin region. So the lymph from this entire territory that will be draining to the submental lymph nodes. So that's all about the outline of submental triangle.